Best deals.
1. Cast iron tawa is a healthy, durable alternative to a traditional non-stick pan, perfect for cooking paneer tikka, chicken curry, or even as a pan for kitchen essentials. Naturally fortifies food with iron to help combat deficiency, while enhancing the flavors of your favorite Indian dishes. Whether you are using it as a fry pan, cast iron pan for cooking, or frying pan, the taste and nutrition benefits are unmatched. This cast iron frying pan delivers excellent heat retention and even distribution, eliminating hot spots. Ideal for consistent results in dishes like stir-fried veggies or pasta, outperforms a typical frying pan non-stick or non-stick fry pan. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Matka stand. Square design matki stand for kitchen gives strength to stand for matka. Designed to hold matka pots for water, clay pots, or water dispensers, the stand ensures your water pot stays secure and accessible. This matka stand for kitchen blends seamlessly with your home or countertop, making it a reliable pot stand for water pot or even for decorative pots. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this matka stand is durable, corrosion-resistant. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cutlery tray. Hold all your kitchen utensils, cutlery, and flatware invisible in the drawer. This cutlery tray has 10 large compartments. The plastic tray is great for cutlery in the kitchen drawer. The utensil tray is made from durable plastic, which is strong and rust resistant. Organizer is custom made to store your silverware utensils, flatware, knife sets, and other cutlery sets in your kitchen drawers. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric kettle. Embrace the freedom of mobility with our ultra-light and compact electric kettle. Ideal for on-the-go moms, it's a game changer for quick, hot meals and beverages anywhere, anytime. Not just for hot drinks, this kettle is a boon for boiling eggs and preparing a variety of quick meals, making it a multi-purpose tool in your culinary arsenal. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures a swift cleanup, keeping your kettle pristine after every use. With its built-in dry boil protection, this kettle automatically shuts off when empty, ensuring safety in your busy kitchen. A reliable feature for peace of mind, perfect for multitasking moms. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Vegetables cutter. Made of food-grade plastic, these green Vidalia graters are built to last through heavy kitchen use with their sturdy construction. The rubber feet on the bottom and ergonomic handle ensure the grater sits firmly on counters. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cookpot. Transform your cooking experience with our stainless steel all-in-one cookpot, a versatile kitchen companion designed for convenience and efficiency. Features: premium stainless steel build, crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for durability, even heat distribution, and long-lasting performance. Multifunctional design, cookpot, perfect for boiling, steaming, or making delicious curries and soups. Strainer attachment, ideal for rinsing and draining ingredients with ease. Steamer insert, great for steaming vegetables, dumplings, or fish while retaining nutrients. Idli plates, includes 4 plates, each with 4 cavities, allowing you to make 16 perfectly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis in one go. Heat-resistant handles for a secure and comfortable grip. Compatible with multiple cooktops, works seamlessly on gas stoves, induction cooktops, and electric stoves. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Organizer. Comes with multiple drawers perfectly sized for A4 paper, cosmetics, art sheets, and daily sundries, helping you stay organized at home or the office. Lockable 360 degrees rotating wheels, for smooth gliding. Wheels rotate freely and can be locked in place for stable positioning, making the organizer easy to move and secure. The sleek, semi-transparent design allows you to easily identify contents while offering a stylish, modern look that blocks out direct sunlight. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Cleaning mop. Switch in just 1 second with a light press on the handle. The innovative shark tooth clamp ensures secure holding of any cloth or tissue, offering unmatched convenience for fast, no-fuss cleaning. Compatible with dusting paper, wet wipes, old clothes, and rags, this mop adapts to various tasks like removing water stains, wiping oil spills, or dusting furniture. Perfect for all-purpose home use. A built-in silicone scraper removes water stains and foam effortlessly. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Shelf. With stainless steel rods, making it a better choice than shelves for kitchen made with white or black iron rods, you can trust our shelf rack as it can effortlessly hold weight of over 7 kilograms of lightweight items when evenly distributed. Putting together this kitchen cabinet rack is super easy. The package includes a manual with detailed assembly instructions, and it's easy to install and can be set up in minutes, with no tools required. This microwave stand has a stylish design that adds a contemporary and appealing look to your home. Additionally, the rods of adjustable rack come with caps to ensure your safety during installation. This versatile expandable multipurpose rack, the perfect solution to your storage needs. With this extendable rack for storage, you can maximize your space and organize any area of your home with ease. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bowl. Overturn filled bottle, make the lid of bottle down, put it on the setup of convex location, then press the bottle bottom. Water will outflow into water bowl. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage box. Perfect cloth organizer for wardrobe to store sari, shirts, jeans, blankets and garments. Ideal clothes organizer for cupboard and wardrobe cloth organizer use. Durable wardrobe organizer cloth with metal frame support. Keeps shape strong and allows stacking, making it ideal closet organizers and wardrobe box solution. Premium cloth storage box for wardrobe with moisture-resistant fabric protects clothes from dust, insects and dampness. Best Almirah clothes organizer for long storage. Front window and zipper design for quick visibility and access. Makes it perfect organizer for clothes, dress organizer for wardrobe and shirt boxes for storage. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. Aggressive micro teeth bite into tough skins and glide through peel layers, delivering cleaner results with minimal pressure. Engineered blade pivots smoothly to match contours, delivering effortless peeling. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cosmetic organizer. Great for collecting all the makeup tools like lipstick, makeup brushes, eyeshadow, skincare products, nail art products, curling straight hair, jewelry and other accessories. The first layer of the case has mesh pockets that can accommodate electric heating rods, straightening sheets, head combs, and eyeshadows. The second layer has a total of 13 pockets, which can accommodate different sized makeup brushes. The third layer is the main compartment of the suitcase, and can accommodate a variety of cosmetic items, skincare products or jewelry. You can design yourself internal compartments by the adjustable padded dividers. Adjustable shoulder strap makes portable makeup bag more comfortable and convenient to carry around by different ways. The handy design is easy to carry and is suitable for travel, business trip, home user or whenever you need to carry it with you. Perfect. Toiletry bag, makeup cosmetic bag, travel bag, camera bag. Product link is given in the 13th link.